In my last Flutter database tutorial, I displayed data from table but in columns rather than rows. In this video, we shall display data in Flutter table. The tutorial is divided into two phases. The phase 1 is where we are converting data from separate columns into map. In phase 2, we are displaying those map values in table rows. If you already have the map structure ready, then skip to phase 2. Also, I provided the code link in the description. You just have to copy paste the code as per the instructions. First point says we have to copy paste the line just after the declaration of class which is extending the state. So here is the class which is extending the state. Paste it there. Second point is to copy the whole code just before the ending curly bracket of the same class. So find out where the curly bracket ends and paste it there. Third point is to paste this line after the loop inside the function which we created to get table data. In my case, the function name is dbcon_display. Now let's refresh the project and see if the map is displaying the data or not. I run that function on click of this button. As you can see, the data is displayed in map structure. If the map is displaying in proper format, it means our first phase is complete. In second phase, we shall be adding the map inside the Flutter table. So according to the fourth point, remove the center function completely and add the code given in the fourth point. Make sure to add comma at the end of the code where you pasted that function. From fifth point, copy the code and paste it just after the ending curly bracket of widget build function. Now if you have hot reload enabled, you will see the table appeared on Android simulator screen. If not, don't worry, go to 6th point. From 6th point, copy the code and paste it inside widget builds curly bracket. Now refresh the app. It will display data as soon as the app loads. I added some unnecessary text here. I shall remove it from the document. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.